In today's fast-paced world, ensuring your safety on the road has never been more important. Whether you're commuting daily or taking a road trip, having a reliable dash cam in your vehicle can be a game changer. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best car DVR cameras on the market, each offering a unique set of features designed to enhance your driving experience and protect you on the road. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. JSKKEYW. The JSKKEYW 3-channel dash cam stands out as a versatile and affordable solution for comprehensive car surveillance. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or on a long highway journey, this dash cam ensures that every angle is covered, thanks to its 3-channel recording capability. This model offers 2 configurations to suit your needs: a 3-channel setup with front, interior, and rear cameras, or a 2-channel option that focuses on front and interior views. Both options deliver high-quality footage, with the front camera capturing crisp 1080p video and the interior and rear cameras providing clear 720-pixel resolution. Designed with a compact 2-inch screen, the JSKKEYW dash cam is easy to operate without obstructing your view while driving. The small screen size is practical, allowing for quick glances without taking your eyes off the road for too long. Despite its size, the display is clear, showing real-time footage from all connected cameras, ensuring you're always aware of your surroundings. This feature is particularly useful for those who frequently drive in congested areas or need to monitor the interior of their vehicle, such as rideshare drivers. One of the most impressive features of the JSKKEYW dash cam is its seamless loop recording. This function ensures that the camera continuously records, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card reaches its capacity. This way, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space, and you'll always have the most recent footage on hand. The dashcam supports TF memory cards up to 64 gigabytes, providing ample storage for extended recordings. This is especially beneficial during long drives or when you're unable to check the footage frequently. Number 4. POFO. The POFO dashcam offers a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking an advanced car DVR system. One of its standout features is the wireless Apple CarPlay functionality, allowing you to connect your iPhone effortlessly without the need for a data cable. Simply turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and CarPlay will automatically connect the next time you start your car. This feature brings the convenience of voice control to your fingertips, enabling you to play music, navigate, and view text messages hands-free, enhancing both safety and convenience on the road. In addition to its wireless CarPlay, the POFO dashcam also supports wireless Android Auto, providing similar ease of use for Android users. Just like with CarPlay, you can activate Android Auto by connecting via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabling you to control music, navigation, and other functions with voice commands. This level of integration ensures that drivers of both iPhone and Android devices can enjoy a connected and streamlined driving experience. The POFO dashcam is designed with ease of installation in mind, making it accessible even for those who are not tech-savvy. The package includes a cigarette lighter power supply and a rear camera, eliminating the need for complicated wiring. You can start using the system by simply plugging in the connector, reducing setup time and potential frustration. This plug-and-play approach is particularly beneficial for drivers who want to enhance their vehicle's capabilities without the hassle of a complex installation process. Number 3. Asom M550 Pro. The Asom M550 Pro sets a new standard for car DVR cameras, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features to offer unparalleled recording and safety capabilities. Equipped with a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the M550 Pro ensures lightning-fast video transfers, with transmission speeds that are 4 to 6 times faster than the traditional 2.4 GHz networks. This means you can download an 800 megabyte video in just 10 seconds, making it incredibly convenient to review and share your recordings without any delays. One of the key features of the M550 Pro is its versatility as a 3-channel dashcam. Depending on your needs, you can choose between several recording configurations. The front camera alone records in stunning 4K, while the combination of front and rear cameras delivers 4K front and 1080p rear recordings. For those who want to monitor the interior of their vehicle as well, the front and inside cameras can record in 2K and 1080p respectively. If full coverage is your goal, you can even record with the front, rear, and inside cameras simultaneously, capturing every angle in 2K front and 1080p for both the rear and inside. This comprehensive setup ensures that no detail is missed, whether you're driving down a busy highway or parked in a secluded area. The M550 Pro's superior night vision capabilities further enhance its performance. Backed by the powerful Novatec 8629G processor and high-quality SC401AI, GC2053, and SC223A sensors, this dashcam delivers crystal-clear recordings in both day and night conditions. The IR night vision ensures that even in the darkest environments, every critical detail is captured, providing you with peace of mind no matter the time of day. Number 2. Imagebond H9. The Imagebond H9 is a cutting-edge car DVR camera that brings together safety, convenience, and advanced technology in one sleek package. Designed with a massive 10.26-inch screen, this dashcam does more than just record your drives. It transforms your car into a smart vehicle equipped with some of the most advanced features available today. One of the standout features of the Imagebond H9 is its wireless integration with both CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows drivers to seamlessly connect their smartphones, giving them access to navigation, music, and calls directly from the dashcam's interface. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, the H9 ensures that you have a hands-free, intuitive experience while driving. Coupled with Bluetooth audio and aux support, this dashcam is more than just a recorder. It's a full-fledged entertainment and navigation hub that keeps you connected and in control. When it comes to safety, the Imagebond H9 doesn't compromise. The advanced driver assistance systems is at the heart of this dashcam, offering a suite of features designed to keep you safe on the road. The lane departure warning system is a critical feature, alerting you in real time if you unintentionally drift out of your lane. This function is especially important at higher speeds, where the consequences of a lane departure can be severe. When paired with a GPS active antenna, the system will only trigger warnings when your speed exceeds 50 km per hour, ensuring that you receive alerts when they matter most. However, even without the antenna, the system remains vigilant, providing alerts whenever a lane departure is detected, regardless of speed. Number 1. MidDrive A500S. The 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus A500S is a game-changer in the world of car DVR cameras, offering a comprehensive set of features that ensure both safety and peace of mind on the road. At its core, the Pro Plus A500S is powered by the advanced Sony IMX335 image sensor, delivering stunning 1944-pixel HD recording, which is 2.5 times clearer than the standard 1080p. This level of resolution captures every crucial detail on the road, from license plates to road signs, providing clear and reliable evidence in case of any incident. One of the standout features of the Pro Plus A500S is its dual-channel recording capability. By pairing with the RCO6 rear camera, this dashcam provides all-around protection, simultaneously recording from both the front and rear. Even in dual-channel mode, the front camera maintains its impressive 1944p resolution, while the rear captures in full 1080p. This ensures that no matter where an incident occurs, you have comprehensive footage from every angle. But the Pro Plus A500S isn't just about recording. It's about enhancing your driving experience. With built-in GPS, the dashcam monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. This feature is invaluable, not only for tracking your journey, but also for pinpointing the exact location of an accident, a crucial detail for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Safety is further enhanced with the advanced driver assistance systems. This system actively detects your surroundings and provides voice alerts to warn you of potential safety issues. Whether it's a potential collision or lane departure, the ADAS system is always on guard, ensuring you stay informed and can take action to avoid accidents. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best car DVR cameras available today. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect dash cam for your car. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to make your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow drivers, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips. Drive safe and see you in the next video.